Presenting PT Krama Yuda Ratu Motor, the Mitsubishi Automobile Assembling Factory. In 1973, the Krama Yuda Mitsubishi Business Group decided to establish an assembling factory for automobile industry in Jakarta, Indonesia. The factory started to operate in 1975 with excellent performance. PT Krama Yuda Ratu Motor is responsible for the manufacturing of 4 types of Mitsubishi trucks and minibuses with 17 variant products. Being Japan's renowned brand of automobile industry, Mitsubishi intends to provide the technology of automobile manufacturing in the matter of efficiency and quality. Our assembling factory stands in 142,000 square meters of land, with the composition of 76,000 square meters occupied land and 66,000 square meters reserved land. More than 20,000 square meters is occupied by the factory building, which consists of 3 sections: the welding section, the painting section, and the trimming section. The factory is integrated with the supporting establishment such as storage compound, managerial offices, workshop, mosque, garden, parking area, the safety auxiliaries like medical clinic, an evacuation route, and also several new establishments to improve factory performance. The factory is designed strategically to adjust with market demand fluctuations to minimize the risk of fatal downfall in the harsh time of crisis. With the support of less than 1,000 workers and the production capacity of more than 77,000 units per year, PT Krama Yuda Ratu Motor managed to have a stable man-hour per unit ratio. The production process is basically divided into 3 stages: the welding process, the painting process, and the assembling process. The components and body parts are received from PT Mitsubishi Krama Yuda Motors and Manufacturing and other Mitsubishi component plants throughout the globe. In the welding process, the components and body parts are assembled using spot welding machines and gas metal arc welding machines operated by skillful technicians. After all the body parts are assembled, metal finishing process are carried out through hand tuning and polishing to ensure the welding quality. At the end of this stage, welded components are already gaining its form of a cabin body. The second production stage is the painting process, where sophisticated machineries and chemical materials are involved. In the pre-treatment process, the cabin body is washed with hot fine cleaner solution that moves dirt, grease, and other stain. Conditioning the body surface for better paint absorption, the application of rust protection, and 2 phases of washing to further cleanse the body. The cabin body then is submerged into a cathodic electrode deposition solution where 300 volts of electricity is flowed into the liquid solution and put to an oven in 180 degrees Celsius. noise-absorbing coat and anti-rust coat are applied in the undercoating process. A sealing solution is used to close the welding seams between body plates to further minimize the risk of rusting. Sealed bodies are put into the oven at 140 degrees Celsius. Next is the sanding process, where cabin body is scrubbed with sandpaper in a special room equipped with dust catcher before the top coat is applied. The top coating solution is using a mixture of 25% alkyd melamine resin and 75% thinner. The automatic spray machine is using a fully computerized mechanization to ensure the painting precision. After painting, the body is going through the inspection process to check the final touch of the paint and brought into the paint body storage to be cured in the assembling line. All the chemical used in this painting process has met the qualification of environment-friendly standard. The last stage of production is assembling, where the cabin body and chassis are trimmed and prepared for several tests.
The engine is going through a sub-assembling process where the transition system is attached to the engine block. In the cabin trimming, kitting box process is done to finish the body. The trimming chassis involve the frame drop procedures where the chassis is cued and the attached device are installed. After the rear axle and front axle docking, the engine is installed onto the chassis in the engine drop procedures, and the cabin is attached onto the chassis in the cabin drop procedure. After trimming off, the product is now and ready for several qualification tasks.
The undercheck, including the side slip test, brake test, and speed test, is performed to ensure the safety and reliability of the vehicle before going to shower test and the final road test. We always make sure the quality control is checked to meet the expectation of Mitsubishi and Mitsubishi Fuso high quality standard.
The finished product is taken to the parking pool, waiting for delivery.
Environment is also a main attention in our company policy. Wastewater is recycled into wastewater installation, whereas the remaining sludge is burned in a special incinerator. The first installation uses chemical treatment, and the second installation uses chemical and biotreatment to clean the wastewater. The incinerator is used to minimize the volume of sludge, which will be deposited at local industrial waste deposit. PT Kramayuda Ratu Motor has received many awards for its astonishing performance. Among the awards are the Mitsubishi Gold Award, the Zero Accident Award, the Environment Trophy, the Best General Cooperative, the Best Wastewater Treatment Process, and also the ISO 9001-2000 and ISO 14001-2004 certifications. With the combination of modern machinery and skillful human resources, PT Kramayuda Ratu Motor has become a strong player in the manufacturing business. A company that has proven its abilities to withstand the ordeal of economic crisis. a reliable partner in supporting Indonesia's industrial growth for over 34 years. With the spirit of empowerment and productivity, PT Krama Yuda Ratu Motor is embracing a brighter future with clear vision ahead.